Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish-style summer vegetable dish, which is better known as türlü in Turkish. It is such an easy summer recipe. It's like throw and cook the vegetables all at once. Here I have another recipe for you, which is Turkish-style Butter-mint Bulgur Pilaf to go with sebzeli türlü. It goes really well with this vegetable dish, so that is why I decided to make a video of two of them together. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm gonna start by searing the beef cubes. And then roughly chop an onion. We are going to chop everything roughly in this recipe, so that's a perk. Now it's time to chop the zucchinis. And peel and roughly chop the eggplants too. Add them all into the pot. And it is time to chop the potatoes and garlic cloves roughly. And chop some red and green bell peppers too. This is such a nice and colorful scene to look at. And now it is time for peas and beans to join the other vegetables. Add some extra olive oil. Add some crushed tomatoes all over the vegetables. And the spices on the screen. Add some tomato paste and some water. Stir them all together. Close the lid and let it simmer over low heat for about 2 hours. Now let's prepare the pilaf. I'm gonna start again by chopping an onion and measure and rinse 2 cups of bulgur. Check the vegetable dish occasionally to see if it needs any more water. Now saute the onions and then add the bulgur. Then add 3 cups of hot water. Or it's even better if you have chicken broth or beef stock. Close the lid and let it cook. Now it is time to make the butter sauce. Melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan and then add the dried mint. Now drizzle the sauce all over the pilaf. And finally it is time to serve. This is such a comfort food to share with your family, your loved ones, your guests. It's warm and delicious. It tastes like summer. It smells like summer. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another Turkish recipe.